Ever wonder why your brain takes shortcuts? Welcome to NeuroArc. Fast psychology made simple. Understand the mind in seconds with clear, science-backed ideas.
Psychology is the study of how people think, feel, and behave. It looks at why we do what we do, whether we're making decisions, building habits, or reacting to stress. At its core, psychology helps us understand the patterns behind human behavior, including our own. So, where does psychology come from? Psychology has roots in both philosophy and biology. In the late 1800s, researchers began applying scientific methods to questions about the mind. That's when it became a field of its own, with labs, experiments, and tools to study things we can't always see. What psychologists study? Psychologists study everything from memory, learning, and emotions to relationships and decision-making. They ask questions like, why do people procrastinate? How does stress affect sleep? What helps us stay motivated? Some study the brain directly. Others look at patterns in behavior over time. Let's look at the areas of psychology. There's no one type of psychologist. Some work in therapy and mental health. Others do research in universities or consult for businesses, schools, or hospitals. There are many specialties, like clinical psychology, cognitive psychology, social psychology, and developmental psychology. Each one focuses on a different part of the human experience. How it shows up in daily life. Psychology shows up in everyday things. How we handle conflict, set goals, form habits, or support others. It's behind what makes a good listener, what causes burnout, or why social media is so addictive. Understanding these patterns doesn't mean we can control everything, but it gives us tools to respond better. Psychology is a science. Even though psychology talks about emotions and thoughts, it's rooted in research. Psychologists form hypotheses, run studies, and use data to test ideas. It's not just opinion, it's trial, error, and evidence. That's what makes it useful in real-world settings, not just classrooms. So, psychology isn't about fixing people. It's about understanding people. It gives us a language for talking about the human experience, the good, the messy, the confusing. Whether you're here to learn more about yourself, help others, or just out of curiosity, welcome. This is psychology, and it's more useful than you think.
If you're interested in psychology, hit subscribe for more short videos, simple explanations, and upcoming podcasts right here on NeuroArc.